Hello everyone! Today we're going to be crocheting a Christmas tree. The small cup underneath will help the tree stand upright. This tree is built layer by layer. To make it quicker, I'll be teaching you how to crochet it in one color. Let's get started. This is how I create a magic ring with 6 double crochets. Slip stitch to join the round and chain 2 for next row. The top little layer of the tree is finished. Looking at it here, we can see that the second layer is 1 row larger than the first layer, and the other layers are also larger in the same way. Complete the second layer of the tree. Continue crocheting the layers according to the instructions in the description. Next, we'll crochet the star on top with yellow. Repeat for the entire circle for a total of 5 star petals. And next is the trunk. Finish the trunk with 16 rows of brown yarn. To make sure it's sturdy, I'll stuff a foam stick inside. If you don't have one, you can also use cotton wool instead. Then add a piece of wire in the middle to secure it. Apply more glue when sticking. Attach each layer of the tree, starting with the largest one last. Sew it in place like this. Don't forget to arrange the layers with the appropriate colors according to your preference. And so that's a complete Christmas tree. Next, sew the 2 star pieces together. Measure the appropriate height and cut off any excess wire. Glue it in place to make it more secure. The small cup will help the tree stand upright and look more like a plant pot. Decorate the tree with beads and ribbons to finish it off. Good luck, and thank you. See you soon.